Miss, do you want to see my results?
Hear me now? Guys, can you hear me now?
Yes.
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 Miss Yasin, do you want to see my results?
Miss, can you see my results? I will show you my results now. Okay.
كده full home of بتاع كان ايه؟ نوع كان ايه؟ ريم left.
Reem left the meeting.
I put my project away from everything.
Oh, they Tanaha, you started when? You started your project when? Which day?
I started it
Yesterday?
I started my project yesterday.
I will start it today.
But I think will not be. I will not
بنت
be.
ياسين عمر كان دي صغيرة.
Put it when it is not cold. I put it so hot. I think I will not have a
Stuck.
يا ياسين الدوكيس كان دي ستوك. مع انها اتعملت بس ستوك.
هو ده اسمه دويني؟
Miss, it's stuck.
ياسين
I
هات
can't
سبون.
out.
ياسين هات سبون وكسرها.
لازم تكسر السيرفس اللي فوق اول.
كمان ما تكسرهاش دلوقتي، لازم نستنى شوية.
المية هتهدى يا جدعان لو سيبناها شوية.
ياسين ممكن تطلعها فوق تورينا من بعيد؟
مش عارفة اشيلها بسبب ان هي
ما تشيلهاش، بس ابعد بس عشان نشوف الكوبايات من فوق.
ممكن تكسرها. ازاي اللي احنا عاملينها مشيني؟
لا بس في سكر ماسك فيها يا ماما.
ياسين خلي بالك عشان الكوباية ما تتكسرش.
انت دقتها؟
Guys, can you hear me now?
Yes.
Yes. Stop talking, please, without permission. Thank you so much. Now we can see Yasin. Yes, Yasin. We can see some results in Yasin's camera.
Yeah.
Yes, that's nice. Thank you, Yasin. You can leave it for longer time if you want, or to get bigger results.
It's broken. It didn't work.
Yasin, why didn't it work? I can see some results in your stick.
It's stuck.
Yes, the all of the sugar crystal sugar is stuck on the cup on the red and the yellow.
Yes, I think I have a result. How? See here?
It didn't.
It's okay. Yes, it will crystal. I mean, all the water evaporated from your liquid. Yasin, all the water evaporated, if you can see. And you left with the sugar. Maybe you didn't add enough sugar on the stick itself. That's why it did not collect on the old stick. But you still can get. I can see some results in your sticks now.
I want to show
Well done,
mine.
Yasin.
I want to show you mine.
Well done, Yasin. Okay, Auday? Yes, Auday. Auday, you said you did it yesterday, but do you think?
Yes, but I do not have that. I have a result here. See, miss?
Okay, can you show it to us, please? Get closer with the camera. That's nice. Okay, it's okay. Your water evaporated just way faster.
Miss, but my mom,
water
she
and
put
more
it,
sugar.
I am so afraid that... What?
You added more sugar and less water, right?
Yes, I put many sugar and I put lemon. My mom tell me that the lemon, like when you put it, would be good also.
Yes, it will be like, this kind of candies that are sour.
Will be more attractive. Yes, but she say like you taste good, but I will not eat it. I am afraid from it.
Okay.
Miss, I made mine yesterday. It didn't shake.
Thank you, Auday, for sharing your project with us, and thank you, Yasin, for sharing the project. Guys, you can leave it for a longer time if you want. I mean, if you want to get
yes, I leave it. I will leave
yes. Thank you so much, Yasin and Uday. Amr, do you have any questions? Because you keep raising your hands.
No, miss.
Okay, Yasin, I will check my messenger. Okay, Habiba, you're raising your hand?
I had results and
Yes.
I made one Sunday and one yesterday night.
I can't hear you. Can you get closer to the mic, please?
I made one on Sunday and one yesterday.
You made one yesterday?
Yeah, and one on Sunday.
That's nice. Did you get any results from the one on Sunday?
This is mine يا مس.
Yeah.
يا مس.
Reem, do not talk without permission, please. Raise
مس
your hand and wait for your turn. Raise your hand and wait for your turn.
Okay.
Okay, Habiba, so do you have any results, Habiba?
Yes.
Yes, do you want to share it with us?
Yeah, 1 second. I will go get it.
Okay, once you're ready, you can show it to us.
Okay.
Okay, Reem, you want to show it to us right now?
Yeah.
Okay, Reem, just let me.
Miss. Here is this.
These are really good results from Uday. I can see some good results from Uday, and he just did it yesterday. Well done, Uday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. Miss, I am so happy
بس
because
يجمد
how
يا
I
مس
make it
يوم الأحد.
yesterday and I have this
ممكن يجمد يوم
result.
الجمعة ممكن بكرة.
Miss, but I think when I put many sugar, the result will be like this.
مس.
Faster, yes, they will be faster. Okay, we'll move to Reem now.
Yes.
Reem, you have to be a little bit patient, Reem, okay? Okay, where is Reem's camera? I will share it with you guys now. Reem, did you open your camera?
Yeah.
Well, I cannot see anything. I think this is bad resolution in there.
Bad.
Did you get any results here, Reem?
هو بدأت تنسك شوية بس.
Okay, so we started to see some results. Just give it some day.
Okay.
Okay, give it a couple of
إيه رأيك
days.
فيه يا مس؟ إيه رأيك
Thank you,
فيه؟
Reem. Thank you for sharing your project with us. Thank you so
إيه
much.
رأيك فيه؟ إيه رأيك فيه؟
Miss, Monday I will get it out from the jars. Monday, inshallah.
Okay, you can leave it till next week. Yes. Okay, Hannah Sultan, you're raising your hand. Do you want to share something?
Yes.
Yes. What do you want to show us?
Alhamdulillah.
My
Wait,
sugar
let me
did not-
spotlight you first. Okay, now
Alhamdulillah.
you are there. Yes, I can see you. Hey, Hannah.
The sugar did not stick on the stick very good, so I made it again and I put it in it.
Okay. It's
Handing
okay.
is
It's
not-
okay, guys. Just leave it for a couple of days till the water evaporates, and maybe you'll find some sugar forming over the sticks. Just give it some day, guys. Okay?
The stick should not touch the bottom, right?
Yes, they're not supposed to touch the bottom or the sides.
I
Okay.
Miss,
thanks,
if
Anna.
I am now, I put it.
Okay. Thank you, guys. Please raise your hands if you want to say something or show us something. Okay, just raise your hand. Do not talk without permission. That makes a lot of noise going on. Okay, now we are back. Habiba, did you get your things ready? Yes,
Yeah.
Tanahi, you're raising your hand.
I made mine yesterday and it didn't show any result.
It's okay, Tanahi. It differs from one person to another. It differs from the amount of sugar. Did you add the same amount? Did you let the water boil more? So it differs from one to another. Yeah.
I let it boil for a long time and I dissolved the whole sugar.
Yes.
I dissolved all sugar and I made it.
Yes, ya Abdurrahman Khalid. Do you want to ask something? Okay, so I think Abdurrahman didn't.
Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay. Yes, Habiba, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see your if I can spotlight you.
Miss Habiba closed her mic.
Yeah, she closed her
Guys,
mic
give
and
her
tab.
time. Give her time. Please do not say any comments. Thank you so much. Give her time to prepare her things. Okay, Habiba, we can see you. We can almost see you, but okay. This is really small crystal, but it's okay. It's still forming. Just give it a couple of days. Okay, Habiba?
This project help you to have patience. Yes.
Yes, Yam?
This project help you to have patience.
This project helps you what?
To have patience.
Not
Well, yes,
patient.
but you guys, if you started your project already and you send them a message for me with the project, I mean, you don't have to finish it. Just if you started already, you will get your marks. So do not worry about the marks. So whoever started his project, you will get the mark already. So you guys don't need to. I mean, wait for the results so we can get your marks. It's okay. Just try to have fun with this project, and also yes, try to be patient with it. Wait for the water until it evaporates, left with the sugar. And if you guys still have a problem and you've been there for days and you still cannot see the water evaporating, and still and it's still so liquidy, you can put it back into a pan and try to boil it again for a couple of minutes, and then put it back into the jar. Okay. Okay, guys, do you understand this one?
Okay.
Yeah, to boil it. Listen.
So again, guys, if you feel like your solution is liquidy, okay, you can put the water back into a pan and boil it, okay, till the texture of the water becomes thicker, like honey. It just becomes like looking like honey, the texture itself, and then leave it to cool down and then put it back in the jar. Okay, now we'll move into what we are supposed to do today because we still have about 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, guys, now we will
Wait a moment.
start what we are supposed to do today. As I said, we will start revising. Next week, it will all be revision, okay, on term curriculum. We'll start with the study sheet at the beginning of the session, and then we'll do a worksheet at the end of the session. Okay, I hope we have enough time today. I know we won't, because some of you guys shared their projects at the beginning. It's okay, and next week we will share some projects too. So just give your project time, give the water time to evaporate. Okay. And if you guys remember, we started this term with chapter 2, lesson 1. Okay, how are living things grouped? If you guys remember.
Yes, kingdom.
Yes. So we first talked about classification, and we learned that classification is a process of grouping similar things together into one group. And this group must share some of their characteristics together, if you guys remember.
Yes.
Yes. Why would scientists group organisms? Why do they group the organisms?
Miss, we raise our hand.
To see similarities and differences.
Yes, so it will make it also easier for them to study these organisms,
classify it.
right?
Yeah.
Yes, and to look for similarities, as you guys said, how they look, they live, they eat, move, grow, and change, and all of those things. That's right. That's why classification is useful. You also learned that we put them into major large groups we call kingdoms. If you guys remember, we have how many kingdoms? Can you remember how many kingdoms do we have?
Five.
Yes, we have Kingdom Animalia, Kingdom Planta, Kingdom Fungi, and Kingdom Protists, and also Kingdom for
Kingdom bacteria.
Yes, this is right. We have 5 kingdoms. That's true.
Miss, what
So
is
when I
the
say
more
what is a kingdom, what is a kingdom? What do we mean by kingdom? It's the major grouping of living things. Okay?
major group of living thing? Okay.
Yes. Can you guys hear me well?
Yeah.
Yes. If you want to ask questions, please raise your hands. We have Auday raising his hand. Yes, Auday, do you want to ask a question?
No.
Okay, so please lower your hand. The same for Tanahi. Do you want to ask a question, Tanahi? I don't think so. You lowered your hand. Okay. So if you guys want to ask a question, and if you want to stop me and ask a question anytime, just raise your hands. So again, what do we mean by a kingdom? As we said, guys, it's a major grouping of living things, like a bigger group of living things. Okay.
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 Miss, my project became like rock solid.
We finished بقى the project خلاص.
Miss, can you hear me? Rock solid.
يا شلوك انت عملتها امتى يا
Can
شلوك؟
you hear us?
عملتها
Okay,
يوم
guys,
ايه يا
I'm back.
شلوك؟
Monday.
will be the result good.
المشكلة this is rock solid.
ما انت عايز روك
Is this Yasin?
No,
It's
it's rock.
كدي
Yes,
يعني.
Look, you're raising your hand. Do you need to ask something?
Yes, my project became rock solid.
You what?
The project I made for all of them became rock solid.
Do you want to share it with us?
Okay, I'll share one. The others are outside. I don't know what here. The others are outside. My project became
Okay, so
rock solid.
maybe you can share it with us next week. Yeah, Shlok, go watch the video. Go watch the video and see how the man broke through the rocks. And if it's unbreakable, yeah, you cannot get the stick out. Put the glass, or the container of the project into some warm water so it can dissolve or like soften the sugar a little bit so we can pull the stick out.
This is what.
Yes, Shlok, I can see your problem in here. You added too much sugar,
No.
but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It can happen to anyone. Can you show us again, please? Yes. Okay. Did you try to break through it
It's impossible. If I break it, the glass will break.
with a spoon or a fork?
I tried pressing it in my other project. The glass broke.
Oh, that's really bad. Okay, what you should do, Shlok, for this problem, please put this glass of water into a bowl full with the warm water. Okay, so it can be touching the outside of the glass, and then the sugar will melt a little bit, so it will be a lot easier for you to pull the project out.
It has another project, but still, it's like full rock solid.
It's okay. You just did the project with all of your senses. Okay, so you also can ask your parents. They will be so helpful in this case. Okay, now back to
I lost
my
connection and I
screen.
received that. I don't
Hey
know.
guys. So as we said, the kingdom was the major group. It's the biggest group. Okay, and the different kingdoms. Why do we have the organisms in different kingdoms? Because we can
Because they are
them by
different and things.
the different number of cells. Okay, whether they make their own food or they eat, yeah, whether they are plants or other than that. So we have kingdom, phylum. Can you guys remember those?
Yeah, kingdom,
Yes,
phylum,
kingdom, phylum, species.
order,
You
family,
remember those?
genus,
Yes, we have to memorize them in order. We have kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and species at the end. And we said a species is a
unique animal or unique organism.
kind of organism. I just keep hearing people talking, so that makes me get confused. So please, guys, do not talk without permission. Again, we have kingdom, phylum, class, order, family, genus, and last but not least, is the species. And species is a unique kind of organism. Remember? Yes, a unique kind of organism. That's right.
Miss, it's called unique or unicoy?
It's called what?
Unique or unicoy?
Unique.
Unique. You mean unique?
Unique.
Unique kind of organism? Is this what you're saying?
Yes.
Yes, it's a
Unique.
not unicoy. It's unique. Unique means it's different. It's
نادرة.
one of its own. Yes. Okay. And you guys learned that the name of the species includes two groups. Remember that?
Yes.
The genus and the species together. Remember?
Miss, I don't understand this one.
Yes. Who's asking this question, please? Yes. Nahi, did you raise your hand?
No, sorry.
No, yes. That's why I don't know who's talking. Yes, Abdurrahman, which part don't you understand?
This name includes the name of the
Yes,
smallest
the name of the species should include two parts, the genus and the species. Like your name, for example, your name is Abdurrahman Tanahi. Should I call you
Yeah.
Abdurrahman only?
No.
We have plenty of people in the school called Abdurrahman, right?
Yeah.
In your own class, you have more than one Abdurrahman.
Yes.
Should I just leave you with Abdurrahman? No, we need your family name in order to distinguish you, to know who's Abdurrahman I'm talking about. Okay? So in this case, the same for organisms or classification. We need a family name or a genus name in this way. In this case, it's a genus name and a species name. For example, we have Felis domesticus. Remember, Felis domesticus is the scientific name of cats that we raise in home. Okay? Domesticus is the cat's species name. Okay? Felis is the name of the genus. If I call the cat Felis only and I stopped at this point, we have another type of cat that is also called Felis, which is the wild cat. Okay? Okay, Tanahi? Here comes the second name, which is domesticus. That will make it special. Now, when I say Felis domesticus, you know that I'm talking about the house cats, not the wild ones. Okay? Okay, guys,
not
unmute you because there are some noises out there. So next week, guys, we will do a worksheet on this lesson. Okay? Try to read it well. Try to read this lesson well. This is study sheet 1, chapter 2, lesson 1. Because the session is almost over. Yes, Reem, do you have any questions before leaving? Yes, Reem.
نسمع.
بس هو انا ممكن اقول لك احنا عملنا ايه واحنا بنعمل بروجكت. جبنا كسرولة وحطينا كوبايتين، كوباية نص سكر ونص كوباية مية وغليناها على النار.
That's nice. Yes.
ودهنا العصاية بسكر ناعم.
Yes.
ناعم بودرة. سكر بودرة. كنا سايبينه بعد ما كنا تمرين وزلابيا كده.
Okay. Well done, Reem. Thank you for sharing these information. Thank you so much. Abdurrahman Tanahi, do you have any questions?
No, sorry.
Okay. Yusuf Naqib, don't be sorry. It's okay. Yusuf Naqib.
Miss,
Yes.
yes, we can say house cats.
Yes. Well, I mean, house cats, a lot of different kinds of house cats, but we need scientific term. Okay. The scientists do not deal with things like with their common names. They deal with them with the scientific name. The house cat is the common name we all use, but it's not scientific. Okay, Yusuf? Okay?
Yes, miss. Okay.
Okay, guys, see you next week. Please try to read this lesson. It's chapter 2, lesson 1. Try to read it. This is your homework. Read this lesson, please. Chapter 2, lesson 1, so you can be ready for the questions next week. Okay? There is no quiz.
Yes,
It's
miss,
only
this is
a
a new
revision
lesson?
sheet. It's only a revision sheet. Okay, guys?
This is a new lesson, right?
No, this is an old one.
Okay. We have
Okay.
homework today?
Yes, your homework is to read the lesson. Read it really well, okay?
بس هو في term exam.
Okay.
No, there's no term exam. Okay, see you guys next
Like
time.
I will read it only?
Yes. Bye.
Miss, I will read it only? I will read it only?
Yes, try to read it. Thank you so much all day.
Okay, I will read it today.
Yes. Bye.